Unlock the power of expressive gestures in communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language and its nuances. Today, we're going to explore a particularly interesting aspect of communication that goes beyond words: expressive gestures. Whether you're learning English as a second language or looking to refine your communication skills, understanding the role of gestures can significantly enhance the way you connect with others. So, let's get started. Expressive gestures are physical movements, typically made with the hands, face, or body, that convey meaning, emotion, or information without the use of spoken words. These gestures can range from a simple thumbs up to convey approval, to a shrug of the shoulders for uncertainty, or even a nod of the head to signal agreement. They are a universal part of human communication, transcending linguistic barriers and enhancing the depth of our interactions. Expressive gestures play a crucial role in communication for several reasons. Firstly, they add nuance to our spoken words, allowing us to convey subtle shades of meaning and emotion. Secondly, they aid comprehension, especially in situations where language barriers exist. Gestures can help clarify the speaker's message, making it easier for the listener to understand. Additionally, they enhance engagement and build rapport between people, making conversations more lively and dynamic. 1. Emblems. These gestures have a direct verbal translation and are understood within a specific cultural context, such as the peace sign. 2. Illustrators. These accompany speech and illustrate what is being said, such as using hand movements to describe the size or shape of an object. 3. Affect displays. These convey emotion, such as a smile for happiness or frowning for disapproval. 4. Regulators. These control the flow of conversation, such as nodding to indicate that one is listening and encourages the speaker to continue. 5. Adapters. These are often unconscious gestures that satisfy a personal need, such as fidgeting when nervous. To use expressive gestures effectively, be mindful of the following. Match your gestures to your words. Ensure your gestures complement and enhance what you're saying, rather than contradict it. Be culturally sensitive. Remember that some gestures may have different meanings in different cultures. Observe others. Pay attention to how effective communicators use gestures and consider incorporating similar techniques into your own communication style. Practice moderation. While gestures can enhance communication, overusing them can be distracting. Aim for a balance. We hope this video has shed some light on the significance and utility of expressive gestures in enhancing communication. Remember, effective communication isn't just about what you say but also how you say it, and gestures are a key part of that equation. Experiment with incorporating more gestures into your conversations and see the difference it makes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on the English language. Until next time, keep learning and keep communicating.